Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about Leuko tape, or how to fix like a blister on the back of your heel when you're on a hunting trip because you got new boots, didn't get them broken in like I did, or you're playing basketball or any kind of sport that you've got blisters. Maybe you're hiking, just any kind of thing, rollerblading, skiing, you got any kind of blister. This is a good thing to throw into your uh, dope kit or to carry in your along with you in your suitcase. And I learned this from Kevin Hamel, who's a buddy of mine, also known as rangefinder and ballistic expert, but he's a hunting buddy. We were hunting, and I got some new hunting boots, and I'd worn them a couple times, maybe not enough, and I hadn't figured out, I guess, what socks to wear with them. So I got a blister on the back of my heel, and he had some of this Leuko tape. I guess it's pretty well known in the guiding, like hunting guide arena, especially particularly maybe elk hunting, that this is the secret to get. And you just literally get this, I don't know, so maybe $15 on Amazon. I'll send a link in the video, but it'll last you forever. I put it on the back of my heels for 2 days, got the blister the very first day, put them on. This stuff will stay on for 3 or 4 days. I mean, I showered, and it was still good to go. My feet didn't bother me the whole rest of the trip. But anyway, it's simple. I mean, you can probably figure it out on your own. Simply take a strip of it. Oh, okay. I want to make sure there's not any wrinkles in it. And just get a little strip about as long as, you know, the back of your heel or wherever your blister's kind of rubbing. Probably do it between, if you're getting blisters between your toes too. And imagine this is the back of your heel, and you're just simply just going to take it and put it on. You just want to make sure you smooth it out, like maybe after you showered, or clean it a little bit. Put that on, and you are good to go for like 3 or 4 days. Another little thing I learned from Kevin is if you take your roll, it's very sticky. So if you take your roll and you just fold just a little bit of it back upon itself, and you'll have to cut it next time, but that's fine. Just fold a little bit upon itself like that, and then put it back together. And that way, when you're getting ready to use it, you've got a little thing you could pull here, and then you cut that and then cut the other one. But so Leuko tape, it's amazing. I put it in your travel backpack or camping trip. Put it in your backpack, or put, like I said, put it in your makeup kit, dope kit. But what I like to do, also another little tip, I like to do when I come back from hunting trips or any kind of really vacation, I like to make notes, which is kind of maybe a little nerdy. But I also like to order. Like, I didn't have this, so I literally ordered it on Amazon while I was on the hunting trip, and it got here. I just got home, and it came in here. And I'll also do a whole assessment of all my gear. And if like my gloves were cold or they weren't in certain temperatures, I'll go ahead and, instead of waiting till the next hunting trip, I'll go ahead and do the research and order now, so I have it and I don't have to think about it or procrastinate, you know, or I get spur of the moment hunting trip or hiking trip. I've got them in my arsenal. Like this time, I'm going to order some little Merino wool gloves just to keep my hands warm. So anyway, a couple of tips, but like I said, check out this Leuko tape. It's good stuff. Thanks for watching.